to get a job. You have to wake up. You have a job. I don't have a job. Yes, you do. I signed you up for a job. No. Is it about steak? Is it a steakhouse? No, it's not steak. Then what am I going to be doing? Am I going to be cooking? No. You're going to be cleaning the toilet. What? I have to clean the toilet? Yes, I'm sorry, but if you want a job and make money and get you a motorcycle like you always wanted, then yes, you clean the toilet. Okay, let me get out of bed. Where is it? Over there.
Hello, I'm your new job introducer. Yeah, you have to clean that toilet.
That toilet? Are you serious?
Yep, and you dump that, you scoop it up and dump it in the bed.
Okay.
That toilet might be alive. People say it does. I think it's a joke.
Yeah, it's an old joke. Yeah, sister, it's a joke. Why would there be eyes on the toilet? Okay, I'll clean it. Get to work so you can get money. How much will I get paid? You will get
$20.
$20 an hour?
Actually, no.
Awesome.
Since you're cleaning that toilet, $100.
Awesome.
Because
I never knew it would be so much money.
That one is spooky.
Say it's a joke.
It's only a joke. At least I think.
Okay, I will clean it. Get to work. You know what the deal is. $100 an hour. Since you're cleaning that toilet, I'll see you. I'm taking a nap. This is nasty.
Wait.
Deuce.
Please clean me.
Deuce.
What?
There are eyes on the toilet.
Don't be ridiculous.
Who screamed?
Don't be ridiculous.
That was me. It's eyes on the toilet.
There are no eyes on the toilet.
Did you see that? There are no eyes on the toilet. What are you two crying about? Look. You're serious. We have to tell the manager.
I am the manager.
No, you're not. He's right there.
Where? What seems to be the problem? I am trying to have a nap. What's the matter with this toilet? Okay, maybe it wants us to clean it.
We have to tell the police.
No, maybe we just have to clean it out.
Clean me out. Okay, we'll clean it out. Stop making your eyes show, Mr. Toilet. Stop, please.
Okay.
You're scaring us.
Okay, fine.
Who did all this mess anyways, Mr. Toilet?
It was
me. My cousin, my dad. My dad.
It was Antonio.
Where's Antonio? Who's Antonio? Who is he? What did he do?
His name is Harry.
Oh, his real name's Harry. Oh, Harry, I love you. But did you do that?
I have diarrhea, okay?
You have diarrhea? Oh, well, I still love you.
Yeah, you want my autograph, Shorty?
Yeah, sign my stomach.
You know what?
Sign right here.
Just have my coat.
Yes! But you have to worry about the toilet now.
It's worth $1,000.
You say 1,000? My manager says 100?
Oh, awesome. Actually, no, don't sell it, because it's worth a lot to you. Unless you just want to go on a date. Shoulder.
I'm going back to my nap. You guys clean up Mr. Toilet.
Well, I can get rid of that.
I
Trust
want
me.
to sleep.
Get
Get rid of it with your beautiful face.
Okay.
He never saw your face. He saw your back when you were using it.
Okay, move.
Okay. I'll put fresh water in there.
Hold on. Let me do one teensy thing.
What is it? What is it? Wasn't that my baby's hat? Oh, I don't have a baby. I am crazy. Don't forget to wipe the sides. Did you kill Mr. Toilet?
No.
Oh, thank you. Ugh. Fresh new water.
It hurts.
It's blue now. It's blue. It's really blue. Can't believe it.
You cleaned it
Thank
so
you.
much.
You should get paid the money. He
No.
gets paid the money, but I helped.
You know what? Give me $100 and I'll just put that in my pocket and I'll pull out 1,000 for you.
Oh, thank you. I love you, Harry.
Hey, I'm kind of single, so you want to go out on a date on our next video?
Of course. Yay! Yeah! Yay!
Sweet. Well, guys,
Thank
goodbye.
you. My job was kind of hard, but
Oh, here's my number thing.
oh, thank you.
I'm going to cook you some food.
Thank you, Cooking Soup. Thank you very much. I love you. Watch our next video. My job was so hard. Actually, it was your job, Harry. Say no, you hush. It was yours. Keep it going back and forth.
No, you hush. It was yours.
No, 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 it was yours.